one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Complications arising from the ED Ngaarambe Achitonga Slogan Mutabuka. The 24th of August 2025, political analyst Brighton Mutabuka says attempts by some of President Emerson Mnangagwa's supporters to push for him to remain in office beyond 2028 face serious constitutional and political hurdles. Mutabuka argued that any bid to extend Mnangagwa's tenure would require a flagrant violation of Zimbabwe's constitution, which clearly limits a president to 2 terms. ED's term has to end in 2028. There is no constitutional provision that allows its extension or amendment in a way that benefits him, he wrote. He warned that even if Mnangagwa tried to engineer a 3rd term, the move would trigger a confrontation with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who played a decisive role in the 2017 ouster of Robert Mugabe. According to Mutabuka, Chiwenga sees himself as the rightful successor and has both the patience and deep state connections to block any such maneuver. Mutabuka said Chiwenga's position is strengthened by his control of security structures, his entitlement from leading the 2017 coup, and his personal ambitions. He will feel that he has been patient, tolerant, and respectful enough. Due to his lengthy ties to the deep state, he will likely receive intelligence on ED's plans well ahead of time and has sufficient clout to scuttle them, he noted. He added that any showdown between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga would carry existential risks for both men. It's essentially a no-holds-barred, explosive winner-takes-all duel with an uncertain outcome. Thewiner would be engulfed in illegitimacy, unlike November 2017, and would not be accepted nationally, regionally, or internationally, Mutabuka said. The analyst suggested that if Chiwenga eventually prevails, he might seek to distance himself from Mnangagwa's administration in order to legitimize his own rule, similar to how Angola's President João Lourenço broke away from José Eduardo dos Santos' legacy. Such a move, he warned, would expose Mnangagwa and his allies to serious risks. Mutabuka concluded that the unfolding power struggle is delicate but escalating. Everything else we are currently seeing is collateral damage in this vicious and highly dangerous power struggle. It's still finely poised, and too early to tell who lands the fatal blow. How and when, but make no mistake it's coming, he wrote.